Speaker sir, operation is relating to the Tourism Promotion Management and Regulation Act. Speaker sir, पहिले सुवातेर म्हाका दिसता जे tourism numbers, if you see, basically seem to be dropping, especially and tourism department is the only department that is the mainstay economy of the state today after the failure of agriculture and mining. That's because there are several issues. पहिले सुवातेर आमकां जेन्ना आपयल्ले एक letter येल्ली, all the MLAs were called for a meeting when suggestions were still on from the people. I will not go on that aspect, but I would congratulate you by sending the bill to the public first. म्हाका दिसता this is ही प्रथा आसपाक जाय. जे बिल पडात काल गायिल्लें आज येता लोकांक बी view घेनाय, but you have to lead by example. That is the part that I congratulate you. That's because there are several parts. For instance, with regards to sustainable fee of the incoming tourist, this is basically not on the
Speaker sir, point of order. Speaker sir, bill discussion hanga yona. When introduced जावना bill, he cannot discuss on the bill which has not been introduced. The intent कितें आसा, ताज्या खातीर reasoning कितें आसा, you can ask me questions.
Yeah.
But since I have not bought the bill here,
no, I will
don't
ask
me
you,
questions which are pertaining to the bill.
Whatever reply I have based on what expenses you have done, I am coming on that. Mache Rao. Speaker sir, there were several issues with regards to this. Ata Goa Tourism Policy 2020, in 2020, there was a saying that the independent tourism body astali, largely it was dominated by stakeholders and not the government. But if you look at the representatives, and it is said that it looks more than a bureaucratic rather than professionals. Member secretary, CEO, these are not government appointees. Anik, you have tied, it should not be that they are all the members within your, whatever is proposed, Speaker sir, would be the apron or the strings of the minister. Ata, Speaker sir, zaiti charcha jata. Aaj, police department basically cannot handle the load. But whether getting into a parallel tourism safety force, whether this is the answer, because already there is a tourist police muahai. But whether getting this thing, finally the police will shake hands off with tourism locations, and this tourism safety force would be the real end of tourism. Ada, Speaker sir, coming to the point. Now, I have been given to understand in the annexures that you have given to us, की पहिले सुवातेर ही टुरिजम पॉलिसी जी पयली केल्ली 2020 तेज तूं विरोध आहलो बायला आहलो तेन्ना I got a verbatim. आतां कर्नाटका जे मनीस आयिल्ले आतां now with this particular thing clear Center for Law Entrepreneurship and Action Research of Nalsar, meaning National Academy of Legal Studies and Research School, University, Hyderabad. They are the people, Speaker sir, who basically has looked at this particular aspect of the new tourism thing that you plan to propose. And Speaker sir, an amount of 1,37 lakhs in 2 phases are billed. You build the answers, if you look, Speaker sir, they are built in 2 phases.
Speaker sir, ताका इतली full सारांश सांगला पयलो प्रश्न विचार ताका उत्तर दिता point to point let him ask me. येदे व्हडले करता आनी प्रश्न
opposition leader तुम्ही
प्रश्न विचार मरे.
This is pertaining to that only, no?
विचार प्रश्न विचारनी.
You started from tourism count, you went somewhere else.
We have to start.
Ask one question, no, you can ask 6 questions.
एक मिनिट
Because sir, आता जेन्ना when we look at this, because sir,
नाही opposition leader पळय तुमकां उत्तर दिल्ले आसा त्या संदर्भात थोडेशे ब्रीफ येदे व्हडले भाशण करून ते प्रश्न विचारत नाका
भाषण नाही केलं आहे भाषण
नाही विचार म्हणटा हांव हाचोच उल्लेख करना डेली तुम्ही येदो संदर्भ दिता प्रश्न उत्तर
आज निमाण दीस मरे सारके तरी उलोवन दीस बिकॉज सर हेज मुखार उलोवपा
प्रश्न विचार
बरें आतां बिकॉज सर माय क्वेश्चन इज what criteria your department or the center of Naslar Law School University, basically it's a law school university, was chosen to draft the tourism promotion and management bill. What was the criteria? did the tourism ministry verify their past experience? If any of the center has drafted a bill on tourism related bill in the past, I again understand, Jay, from the annexures that I've seen, that the choice of this particular thing was made on nomination basis, single source selection. So what is the source of this selection and nomination? Anik, you followed the question.
स्पीकर सर, आमचे ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान प्रश्न शेवटी नालसराचेर विचारला, बट बिफोर दॅट आय वूड लायक टू क्लॅरिफाय हीज ओन डाउट्स विच ही इज हॅव्हिंग. स्पीकर सर, एक वाटेन ताणें सुरवात करता आसतना नंबर्स आर ड्रॉपिंग जेन्ना म्हणलें, नंबर्स आर नॉट ड्रॉपिंग, बट इन द हिनसायट ऑफ इट दॅट ही हॅज दॅट फियर एंड एंग्जायटी एज ऑल ऑफ अस एज स्टेक होल्डर्स हॅव. आमच्या डिमांडा वेळार टुरिजमाचेर सगळ्यांनी आपापले विचार मांडले. कोणें सांगलें इलिगल टाउट चल्ल्या, कोणें सांगलें धंदे चल्ले तुमी एक्शन घेना, कोणें म्हणलें की रस्त्यार कोण जेवण करता तुमी कांय एक्शन घेना. स्पीकर सर, टुरिजम इज नॉट ओन्ली अ डिपार्टमेंट, आनी गोंया खातीर मायनिंगाक जेन्ना आशिल्ली तेन्ना मायनिंग आशिल्ली, आज टुरिजम इज अ इकॉनॉमी. आनी टुरिजम इकॉनॉमी म्हणटकर वी नीड टू एन्श्युअर दॅट एवरीथींग अराउंड इट इज टेकन केअर ऑफ. स्पीकर सर, आमचे हांगा आयच्या तारखेन कोविडाच्या मागीर जेन्ना वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग डिफरंटली, वी रियलायज दॅट इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस वी नीड टू बी देर वेर द वर्ल्ड इज रिचिंग एज फार एज टुरिजम इज कन्सर्न. आयच्या तारखेन स्पीकर सर, आमचे कडेन दोनूच लेजिस्लेशन्स आसा. द गोवा दमन एंड दीव रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ टुरिस्ट ट्रेड एक्ट 1982, which provides for registration of people, persons, trades dealing with tourist activities and for matters concerned therewith. आणि दुसरो आसा स्पीकर सर, the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, which deals with protection and maintenance of the tourist places as notified by the government from time to time. हे दोन सोडले स्पीकर सर जाल्यार आमचे कडेन एक्ट हातान ना. आतां स्पीकर सर, ओवर द इयर्स, with so many advances which have happened in terms of technology, emergencies of new law, procedures, it is time, Speaker Sir, that with these changing concepts and tourism practices, these acts have almost become obsolete. And that is why, Speaker Sir, since they are not in consonance with the changing times, it is time for us to look at the current drawbacks in the current legislations. Speaker Sir, आयच्या तारखेन current legislation जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा, ताका कोण ना. आम्ही समज मेल प्रॅक्टिसीस घेतले, इलिगल टाउट्स तुमीच म्हणटात, एक्शन घेतले, कायदो दुरुस्त केल्लो ना. स्पीकर सर, इलिगलिटीज ज्यो जाल्यो त्यो टायम बाउंड आमी एक्शन घेवंक शकना. प्रोविजन्स आसा ते इनएडिक्वेट आसा, आनी ताज्या खातीर टुरिजम सेक्टरा प्रमाणे आमकां करतले वाड जाल्यार हें बील हाडपाची गरज आसा. स्पीकर सर, ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस आमी हाडलें खरें, पूण ईज ऑफ बिजनेस हाडटकर मॅन्डेटरी कंडिशन जे थोडे आसा एक्टांनी ते आमकां थोडे चेंज करपाची गरज आसा. Tourist Places Maintenance and Protection Act 2001 was focused main on the nuisances, म्हणजे कोणे त्रास केलो जाल्यार स्पीकर सर, which amendment we did somewhere in 2022. तातूंत स्पीकर सर कितें केलें, जितले प्रॉब्लेम्स आसाले, प्रोहिबिशन्स जे आसा, एक मिनिट, let me complete. You have to
I am asking you specifically on Nalsar.
I am on my feet.
Yeah, but you speak on Nalsar.
You came with the story, I am coming with the answer to your story.
पोझिशन
I'm coming to Nalsar.
प्रश्न आन्सर
Speaker sir,
आन्सर द्या.
स्पीकर सर, ताणें जो सारांश मांडला, बिल नालसरा कडेन कशें आयलें आनी कित्याक आयलें तें येता न्ही, ताका मातसो पासियन्स घेवन न्ही. स्पीकर सर, ताज्या खातीर युटिलायझेशन आमी कशें करप आनी ताज्या खातीर जो मेंटेनन्स एक्ट आसा ताज्या पेक्षा आमी प्रिजर्वेशन आनी मेंटेनन्सार कशें वचप ह्या खातीर एक्टाची दुरुस्ती गरज आसा. ह्या एक्टान स्पीकर सर, वेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ युनीक कल्चर, हेरिटेज, कुझीन, we do not have anything that we can do to support these activities. Speaker sir, नवे टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज सुरू जाल्यो खऱ्यो, पूण नवे टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज तांकां प्रोविजन ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन विथ डिपार्टमेंट टुरिजम ना. ताज्या खातीर मॉनिटरींग आनी सर्वीस स्टँडर्डायझेशन आमचे कडेन जायना. आतां ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली जातकच स्पीकर सर, त्या टुरिजम पॉलिसी प्रमाणे 2021 नोव्हेंबर 2021 दे गोवा टुरिजम बोर्ड, which he said is only of government. Speaker sir, I would like to clarify one part. That Goa Tourism Board, where chairman is Honorable CM, constitutes of equal members of the government and the industry. Industry चे so राव मरे, येता मरे, industry चे so राव मरे, industry चे so members स्पीकर सर, आणि experts, industry expert 4 असे 10 जाण ते, आणि आमचे 10 जाण म्हणून, आणि CM heads it 21 मेंबराची कमिटी आसा, with which गोवा टुरिझम बोर्डाच्या मागीर एम्पावर्ड कमिटीज आसा 4. अगेन हॅव्हिंग इक्वल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री अँड गव्हर्नमेंट. आतां येता स्पीकर सर नालसराचेर. स्पीकर सर ताणें पयलो मोडलो ताणें शब्द की वी आर स्पेंडिंग 1.37
I
crores.
said it is built. Check my
Speaker
words.
sir, the
I said
whole
they have
estimate.
built.
राव मरे.
I said it is
Speaker sir,
built. Spending
ताणें
म्हणला.
उलयलो म्हाका उलोवंक दिनी मागीर तूं उलय मरे. लेट मी टॉक. 1.37 crore म्हणलो. स्पीकर सर 2021 जेन्ना हे विशय सुरू जाले तेन्ना ही युनिव्हर्सिटी हू हॅज ऑलरेडी गॉट द एक्सपर्टीज ऑफ डुईंग सेंट्रलायज लॉज पूर्ण देशान स्पीकर सर 3च आमच्यो एजन्सीज आसा लायक दीस 3 or 4 युनिव्हर्सिटीज हू आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन ड्राफ्टिंग सच लॉज. When Nalsar came and met the tourism secretary then in 2021, the whole proposal was, Speaker sir, to study Goa Daman and Diu Registration Tourist Trade Act, Goa Registration of Tourist Trade Amendment Act 2019, the Registration of Tourist Trade Rules 85 and form thereunder, 2021 Amendment to Goa Daman and Diu Registration of Tourist Trade Act Rules 1985 and corrigendum to the same, the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, the Tourism Check Policy 19 to 22, Water Sports Policy 2012 to 2013, Tourism Policy 2021 आणि गोवा बोट रायड्स अँड वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीज 2003 तुझ्या एनेक्शनान दिला. हे सगळे जे गॅप्स आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले स्पीकर सर ताज्या खातीर वी निडेड अ एजन्सी टू कम ऑन बोर्ड अँड डू अ लेजिस्लेटीव ड्राफ्टिंग. जेन्ना विशय आमी लॉ डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन घेतलो, लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान सांगलें ड्राफ्टिंग दे वील नॉट डू द लॉ, लेट देम कम विथ अ रिपोर्ट. आता युनिव्हर्सिटीज विच आर स्पेशलायज्ड इन दीस जॉब स्पीकर सर तातून आमच्या नालसरान मर्चंट शिपिंग बिल 2021 तांणी ऑलरेडी केला सेंटराचे. अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर स्पीकर सर तांकां ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टर ऑफ शिपिंग गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली पोर्ट्स बिलाक तांणी ड्राफ्ट केल्ले आसा. मरीन एड टू नॅव्हिगेशन एक्ट 2021 आणि सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन तांणी केल्लें आसा. These are experts and it is a university. It is a university which is only having law as a part and doing services to states and center. This is one of them specialized in these activities. Jenna te goya yon tanga ye dile speaker sir and they gave us the whole part of it. That is the time we went for nomination purpose. Nomination karta asana 1.37 crores ni. It is just 35 lakhs of the whole thing. Tatun 35 lakhs speaker sir. Tajo breakup tuka dita hu. 8 लाख ताणे ऑपॅक्स म्हणजे येवपाचे सिटींग फीस ते सेपरेट दवरल्या. ना 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 यू विल गेट आन्सर टू युअर थिंग्स. तू 1.37 crores म्हणल्या पळय
तू जितले एका 4-5 प्रश्न विचारतो आन्सर
आमचे इतले जाता हांवें इतले इंचारला तो इतले उलयता.
स्पीकर सर
प्रश्न एक
ताणे जो प्रश्न विचारला ताचे उत्तर दिता.
मातशें 1 मिनट आय विल प्लेस here that what I
Speaker
said
sir,
1
so
crore
phase 1 was 35 lakhs plus taxes.
and what was phase 2?
Speaker sir, phase 1 was 35 lakhs plus taxes amounting to 41 lakhs.
okay.
And plus 8 lakhs plus 8 lakhs of operational expenses. Phase 2 Speaker sir, अजून पर्यंत फायनान्शियल कोड घेवकूय ना, फायनान्शियल आम्ही फायनलाइज करूना.
Phase 2 I have with me in your annexure, it says 91 lakhs. I'll give it, place it here.
Phase 1 makes this tourism bill come in the house. Phase 2 talks about only drafting of the rules.
Speaker
and any
sir,
amendment to the
okay,
rule with the type of rule which is concerned, Speaker sir,
Yes,
taka
okay.
2.8 lakhs to 4.8 lakhs per amendment of the rule is the amount which we are supposed to pay.
दूसरा प्रश्न विचार तुझो. सेकंड सब क्वेश्चन
What is it? Where did you get the figure for 1.37 lakhs?
Boss रे, I will give you the figure. I have it here. Speaker sir,
एक लक्षात ठेव, तू एका प्रश्नात जर 10 प्रश्न विचारले जर जात नाही ताका उत्तर दिले
सारखे हे कोण माता सारखं फार.
येस
एक प्रश्न विचार एक उत्तर 10 प्रश्न
पॉइंटाचे
विचार 10 उत्तर येतात.
आता you just said that they are specialized people, Naslar, whatever agents. Nalsar.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. विचार
उलोवपाक दिना तू. चार उतरापासून उलोवपाक
तुम्ही बेस्ट उलयतात.
बेस्ट उलयना.
प्रश्न विचार तुमकां
सर आता तेणे सांगिल्लें की दे आर स्पेशलिस्ट एंड वॉट एवर. आय एम ट्रायंग टू टेल दी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जे पयले सुवातेर आय वूड लायक टू करेक्ट. फेज 2 ऑफ योर्स I was basically 91 lakhs it is proposed and phase 1 is 41 lakhs. Anta, this is your reply that I have. Tu pad sangta if Speaker sir, I have annexure D. Annexure D page 8-9 in the 93rd meeting of Goa Tourism Board. या मिटिंगेक स्पीकर सर 15 डिसेंबर 2022 इफ यू लुक एट द मिनट्स हे रिप्लाय आमकां कालो दिले पण हांवें रात आचिलां कितें आचिल्लें तें सांगत तुका I quote from the minutes. The minute says drafting of acts or laws cannot be outsourced to external private agency. This particular was in your department. Yes, yeah. This is what you are saying that your law put in draft, but your department has told you. Ek minute, boss. Mache boss. Speaker sir, my question is, why was the drafting of this law or bill was outsourced due to this agency, despite Goa Tourism Boardan je dille contrary dille and to ilyar I'll read it. It is said when the proposal was referred to government for consideration, it was opined that drafting of acts and laws cannot be outsourced to any external private legal agency. This is part of your annexure. So you are saying they are specialists, but the department itself said that they are not. They are from Hyderabad. 1 second. They must be into drafting merchant bills and whatever. In the past, inga bill पडाहल्ले because sir, Karnatakaच्या मुनशान going bill draft केलं tourism policy 2020 and it had is miserably failed.
कसं 2 मिनिटं उरल्या तो उलयत रावतलो का हांव उलो
ओय रे बाबा हांव मातशे बोस रे
विचार मरे प्रश्न.
किती किती डिस्टर्ब
तुझा
करतो
प्रश्न विचार म्हणे तुका
2 मिनिटं उरल्या पगा कितें प्रश्न विचार रामायण महाभारत सांगच्या पेक्षा प्रश्न विचार
रामायण रे हांवें तुका सारकें हेजे माल मरे
म्हणून सांगलं तुका प्रश्न विचार म्हणे
स्पीकर सर चोयल्यार हिंगा आय बिलीव you have used the word in your thing that they are taken for legislative research, policy assistance, for updating and consolidating legislative framework. This, speakers are intun sarke clear cut. It is absolutely clear cut that when the tourism department itself had said that you cannot get them on board. Number one, speakers are you are playing just with these words. Goa's
Speaker sir,
tourism bill.
point of order. Tourism board an सांगू ना, law department an सांगिल्ले.
Speaker
Check
sir,
कर. Noting check कर.
Speaker sir, it discuss जाल्ले tourism department a meeting एक.
Speaker sir,
Speaker sir,
Nalsar was approved from Goa Tourism Board itself.
Speaker sir,
in 2021
agenda पढ़ा is for
2021 नोव्हेंबराची 4 आणि पळय.
अरे when law said no, how did you take it
Yes,
in?
sir.
Speaker sir,
स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचार
Speaker, sir.
specialist तुगे मुनशा हाडू सो
म्हाका संवय झाल्या.
Speaker sir, सोय
Speaker
कोणा
sir,
जालना एका सोय जाल्या गोल गोल.
डोंगराच्या हातूंतल्यान हुनीर सोदपाची जाल्यार संवय हाका.
मंत्री बस बसून
डोंगर पकडून हुनीर सोदपाची संवय जाल्यार लिडर ऑपोजिशन.
आमकां
मंत्री
उत्तर दिवपाक जाय.
Speaker sir,
तुझा प्रश्न विचार पळया
माझो सिंपल प्रश्न कितें आसा?
ते बसोय. Speaker sir, ते बसोय. मातशे बस.
2 मिनिटं उरल्या लेट मी रिप्लाय टू यू कितें उरलेला?
Speaker sir,
तुझा स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न किती असा
specific question. Agenda for the third meeting of the Goa Tourism Board held on 15 December 2022 at 11 a.m. Speaker sir, एजेर जोरी तो चोयल्यार
प्रश्न किती असा वेळ संभर
प्रश्न स्पीकर सर कितें फकडा झालेले
प्रश्न विचार
स्पीकर सर
उत्तर दिवपासाठी
स्पीकर सर ताजो प्रश्न सादो आसा
Speaker sir, agenda number 8.
स्पीकर सर आय एम ऑन माय फीट तुवें सांगिल्ल्याप्रमाणे हांव
Agenda
म्हाका
number
रिप्लाय
8 हो कितें गुणायता मातशे राव
Speaker sir,
प्रश्न आहा
Speaker sir,
स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचार
Speaker
drafting
sir,
of a
every
new
department
consolidated
has its
when
own
the tourism department itself has said that the proposal was referred to the government for consideration and it was opined that drafting of
स्पीकर सर 1
laws
मिनिट उरला कितें भाशण वाचता
cannot be
स्पीकर सर allow me to express allow me to express
प्रश्न कळलं तुका
ताका बस म्हणून सांग 10 सेकंड उरल्या
आज
Speaker sir.
हिंगा आज टुरिझम
Speaker
डिपार्टमेंटाच्या
sir.
नावान
म्हाका दिसता जो मनीस घोस्ट म्हणटा स्वता घोस्ट जावपाक पावला
आणि सदस्य
आज हैदराबादाचे मनीस हाडे हे मनीस हिंगा कितें
Speaker sir.
व्हॉट इज देअर
Speaker sir.
डिपार्टमेंट
प्रश्न उत्तर दे
प्रश्न
उत्तर द्या
डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना कामां आसता
तो
सेंटर आसूं स्टेट
Basically,
निक्सी मॉडेलाचेर वी आर एबल टू पुट consultants in place we have the mandate to put consultants in place
ते आन्सर नाका स्पीकर
सर Speaker sir, आम्ही एक्सपर्ट घेतलो
प्रश्न
रिपोर्ट
विचारपाचो
तयार
प्रश्न
करपाक
ऐकून
कायदो
घेवपाचो ना.
नाही
प्रश्न किती
रिपोर्ट तयार करून लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान भेट केला
प्रश्नकालांना सोपता श्री प्रेमेन शेठ
किती स्पीकर सर
जिरोवर
What are you talking?
प्रेमेन शेठ
when
अरे
your
what
department
Speaker sir,
when your department
जेन्ना आम्ही
itself
जेन्ना
said
घेता
प्रश्नकालांना सोपता तुम्ही जोगिरा बसून घ्या
said here in your
प्रश्नकालांना
thing,
सोपता
Where is the question?
not allowed.
आणि मंत्री
You have said your
शीख
department-
मतदान परत विचार
प्रश्नकालांना सोपता
Call for a half an hour discussion and
प्रेमेन
विचार
शेठ